Hey guys, you can see this question. I don't know if you find it difficult, hard. It takes lots of steps to solve it, maybe, but it's not hard. The thing is to find out the value of a and d in this question. That is equal to root 3 minus 1 over root 3 plus 1. This thing is always solved by rationalization. Rationalization. Okay, where you just see the denominator, root 3 minus 1 over root 3 plus 1. When you rationalize it, you can just multiply the conjugate of your denominator with the numerator and denominator. Like root 3 plus 1 in the denominator. So you have to multiply root 3 minus 1 with the denominator, obviously with the numerator. Correct? And that's give you root 3 minus 1 whole square over. This is root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1. The equal to be used is formula. The basic algebraic formula, which is first is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The second is a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So just use this formula. So this gives us root 3 minus 1 whole square. So a square root 3 square minus 2ab, so minus 2 times a, which is root 3, times b, which is 1, plus b square, so b square is 1 square. Correct? And this one is a plus b, a minus d is 3 plus 1, so a plus b, root 3 minus 1, so a minus b. So that means your a is root 3, b is 1. So root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. Now let's simplify, which gives a root 3 whole square is just 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 over root 3 whole square is just 3. 1 square is just 1. So that gives us 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 minus 2 root 3 over 3 minus 1 is 2. Correct? And 2 is common in this. So that is equal to 2. When we get 2 formula factored out, it gives us 2 minus root 3 over 2, which cancel out 2 and 2. So this thing, root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1, that is equal to 2 minus root 3. Correct? And now that is equal to a plus b root 3. So this thing, 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. You can come in where this is a. So the value of a is 2 and there is a negative sign. So b is must be positive negative. So b is equal to root 3 root 3. That is a equal to minus 1. Right? You can compare it. Right? You understand that a is 2 and b root 3. So that's mean b is negative 1.